started the event as mentioned in 2019, and the program keep on expanding. And looking at this year's event, we are expecting a lot of countries coming to Ghana to participate. So it means that cycling in Ghana is growing, and through the effort of Prudential Life Insurance. We thank you very much.
So Prudential has done so well, first one in 2019, taking inspiration from our mother company Prudential, which sponsored the first PRURide in 2012, where they had several circuits in London participating as a sponsor. But gradually it became part of us in terms of the things we like to do. So Prudential Life as a business always likes to help make people get the best out of life. This means that if we are making people get the best out of life, not only financially or through insurance, we help them through wellness. So given that cycling has the advantage of adding to your well-being and your wellness, we have taken this very seriously across the globe.
Would like to call on one of the winners from previous years to come and tell us about his experience of taking part in PRURide, how PRURide has helped him in his career and what it has done for him as well. Please welcome Victor Kujo.
Cycling, each year there. And I say, training, and I say, Uchi bicycle, a more a more check. And some so any sports there. And my own baby. I make us a cycling, no, I'm me too quiet, outside. Like Prudential, I had the last year, no. Omoya die bi ma menejire na menenso so.
Purchase your tracks today.
And not just a jersey, you will also receive a fully branded medal from Prudential Life Insurance.